Many entrepreneurs think tax-free companies are limited to Caribbean islands. But Europe actually offers some of the most powerful and legitimate zero-tax business structures in the world. Whether you're building a global business, growing your investment portfolio, or simply searching for a smarter wealth strategy, it's possible to establish a company in Europe and pay 0% corporate tax, all within well-respected legal frameworks. Welcome back to the Liberty Mundo channel, where we help high-net-worth individuals protect their assets, secure multiple citizenships, and legally minimize taxes. Visit www.libertymundo.com and get in touch for personalized strategies. A tax-neutral corporate structure is a game-changer for those seeking freedom, flexibility, and international credibility. Imagine running a fully compliant business in a stable European jurisdiction, while personally living in a tax-friendly country like Panama, Uruguay, or Hong Kong. The result is that your business pays nothing at the corporate level, and you can receive dividends with minimal or zero taxation in your country of residence. This approach maximizes wealth, gives you peace of mind, and opens up top-tier banking opportunities that offshore island-registered companies often can't access. European companies are trusted by banks and payment processors, making it much easier to manage finances, get paid, and serve clients worldwide. Jersey is one of the best-known zero-tax jurisdictions, sitting just off the coast of France. If you're running a traditional business like consulting, trading, or a holding structure, the corporate tax rate remains a flat 0%. No complicated offshore claims or documentation. While there are some exceptions for local utilities, big retailers, and financial institutions, most regular businesses enjoy true zero-tax status. If you prefer partnerships, Jersey's LLP offers pass-through taxation with extremely low bureaucracy. This means the business doesn't pay tax at all. Profits simply flow to partners, and if those partners are residents in low-tax countries, they can receive income entirely free of tax. The formation process is fast, annual compliance is simple, and there's no need for complex legal maneuvering. Neighboring Guernsey closely follows the same approach, giving you another recognized European option. Again, the standard corporate tax rate is 0, though like Jersey, certain sectors pay higher rates. Guernsey LLPs do involve more paperwork, so if you want a simple partnership, Jersey is often more convenient, but Guernsey remains a great choice for standard companies looking for reliable European status and easy banking. Shifting to the Mediterranean, Cyprus provides unique advantages, particularly for businesses operating internationally. Thanks to special foreign permanent establishment rules, a Cyprus company can keep offices abroad, say in Panama or Dubai, and pay zero tax on income generated from those foreign branches. This is especially powerful for trading businesses and service companies with operations outside Cyprus. In addition to corporate advantages, Cyprus offers a non-domicile regime for individuals, so you can live there and benefit from favorable personal tax rules. As a member of the EU, Cyprus-based companies enjoy access to international banking, SEPA transfers, and a strong reputation in the eyes of global clients. Liechtenstein takes things even further for sophisticated planners. This Alpine principality doesn't just exempt foreign permanent establishments from domestic tax, it also imposes no dividend withholding tax, unlike Switzerland. There are no controlled foreign corporation rules, opening the door to holding companies and multi-generational wealth structures with maximum flexibility. With Swiss-grade banking, political neutrality, and world-class asset protection laws, Liechtenstein is a serious contender for anyone looking to combine prestige, safety, and zero-tax business operations. Even the United Kingdom offers surprising options for zero taxation, especially through its LLPs. Here, income flowing through to non-UK partners, which is sourced outside the UK, escapes UK tax entirely. Formation is lightning fast, banks welcome UK entities, and everyone from payment processors to clients trusts the UK label. The key is for partners to keep their personal tax residence outside Britain and ensure their earnings originate offshore. This structure works extremely well for international consultants, digital nomads, and remote agencies wanting a credible, well-regarded setup while keeping tax at 0. Choosing the right structure does depend on your business model, client expectations, and banking needs. Trading companies may prefer traditional corporations, while service firms and closely held businesses find partnerships or LLPs more practical. Some industries are more conservative, favoring the classic limited company approach, while creative sectors or tech startups often value the flexibility of partnerships and LLPs. Always consider which structures your preferred bank or payment provider favors, and match your choice accordingly. Remember, optimizing both personal and corporate taxes is essential. Establish your personal tax residence strategically, document everything thoroughly, and maintain it consistently to avoid problems. As global standards for economic substance and transparency evolve, make sure your business has genuine operations, employees, and presence where needed. Avoid purely virtual setups that attract scrutiny, and always think long-term about future exits and possible changes in the law. Banking is a huge reason entrepreneurs prefer European structures. Opening accounts is faster, compliance teams understand the structures, and payment processors like Stripe and PayPal approve European entities quickly. Merchant accounts and capital markets are far more accessible. These advantages alone can outweigh any minimal extra cost of setting up in Europe versus an island haven. Don't forget that compliance and reporting still matter, even where corporate tax is zero. Keep up with annual filings, financial statements, and regulatory changes. Economic substance and beneficial ownership rules are becoming stricter, so professional guidance is more important than ever. Staying informed and getting the right advice will help you avoid pitfalls and unnecessary costs. A common misconception is that incorporating in Europe always means paying European taxes. In reality, when you follow the rules correctly, structure things properly, and keep your paperwork in order, you can legally eliminate tax at both the corporate and personal levels. European options are simpler and more affordable than most realize, and they are open to small and mid-sized businesses, not just multinationals. If you want to reduce your taxes to single digits, make your assets impossible for anyone to touch, and gain more freedom with second citizenships, get in touch with Liberty Mundo and book a consultation call. We will help you develop a complete blueprint to organize your life to safeguard your wealth and your freedom. Follow the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.